Hello guys, you are here because most probably you are stuck on update requested and estimated time remaining during the software update of your iPhone. So let me show you how to get rid of that problem. So first of all, you need to go to settings, then go to the general option, then you need to click on software update. Okay, now it is checking for update. Now my software is up to date. Okay, I already downloaded and installed it, but on your software it will check for updates, then it will show for the download and install option. Now for that, when you click on download and install, it will start giving that update requested and estimated time remaining on the top of this screen. Now what you need to do is you need to just give it some time and make sure that you are connected to a very good Wi-Fi with a good strength, and just give it some time like 5 to 10 minutes. I was stuck for like 15 minutes, then it started downloading. Now if you are stuck for for a very long time, then you can try this option. Now you need to go to settings, then go to the general option, then scroll down till you see the reset option right here. Click on reset, then you need to click on reset network settings right here. Tap on it. Now enter your password just like this one. Now it will ask, this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So if it is happening due to the network, your network is not means if there is a problem with the VPN or something like that, then it will reset all the network settings. Then you can again go to the Wi-Fi and connect again with a password. Go to the Wi-Fi and you will again connect with the password, and then you need to go to the general and software update. Then it will again click on download and install, and it will then give it just a bit of time, and it will start downloading. So this is the process. There is no problem with your phone, just you need to give it some time and make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi, and make sure that you have storage space on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.